First, visit iReaShare.com and head to the Android Manager page. You can scroll down to check all the features and the step-by-step guide in detail. After that, click the Back to Top button. Click the Try for Free option to download it on your computer. Double-click the iReaShare Android Manager installer to install it on your computer by following the step-by-step guide. Once finished, click Finish to close setup. To transfer files from Android phone to PC in the software, connect your Android phone to your PC via USB. The software will quickly recognize your Android phone. If prompted, please click OK or Allow on your phone to make sure the connection is established. Files on your Android phone will be scanned out and displayed in the interface. To transfer files from Android phone to PC, click the data types like Contacts. You can scroll down to preview all files in detail. Tick off the files you want to transfer to your PC, then click Export. Select the file format you want to save, then choose a location to save it. Then the chosen files will be transferred to your PC.